Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to boost conversions and gain customer trust? In this video, I will show you how to add trust badges to your Shopify store in 2025. No coding needed. So, what are trust badges? Trust badges are small icons that show your store is secure, verified, or offers guarantees like 100% secure checkout, free shipping, or money back guarantee. So go to shopify.com and log into your account. Once you are in, look at the settings tab at the bottom left. Now, where should you add them? Trust badges work best when placed in high conversion areas like under the Add to Cart button, on the product page, in the cart or checkout, in the footer. The easiest way to add trust badges is through apps. Here are three free and beginner friendly options. So go to apps, then app and sales channel settings. From the page, click Shopify App Store. Now search for Ultimate Trust Badges by Conversion Beer. You can use it, then click Install, or you can use Trust Hero. Find the Trust Hero app, or you can alternatively you can use Trust Badges Master. For this tutorial, I will use Ultimate Trust Badges. From the search bar, search for Ultimate Trust Badges and install the app. Then click Install. Choose badge style and colors. Select where to show badges like product pages, cart, etc. Then click Save and Activate. Select badge like that. If you want more control, fewer apps, you can manually add badge images. So for that, download the download badge icons. Search for free trust badges PNG. Like that. Download the PNG. Right click on it, then click Save. Now go to Shopify admin dashboard, then click Settings, Then you can search for files or click on content. Then click files. Now upload the basis file. Now go to online store. Then customize the theme. Open the product page. Add an image with text from the template section. Now select image and done. You can resize the page like top, bottom, etc. Insert your uploaded trust image and save. Use the horizontal layout so they don't take up too much space on mobile. To make your badges match your brand, choose badge colors that match your store theme. Use simple, flat style icons. Make sure badges are mobile responsive. Avoid too many badges. Keep it clean. Here's where top Shopify stores use trust badges effectively. Free shipping, product pages, free shipping, and secure payment. Then card pays, money back guarantee, footer, SSL secure checkout, email sign up sections, spam free generate guarantee. Don't clutter your layout. Focus on trust, security, free shipping, returns. Test badge placement with A/B testing tools. And that's how to add trust badges to your Shopify store in 2025. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials and comment trust ready for a free pack of high converting badge icons. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.